In today's video, we will fix the ASUS laptop not detecting external monitor, USB-C/HDMI and the driver and display reset guide. So the fix one, you can check cable and connection. Turn off your laptop and monitor. Unplug the cable, the HDMI, VGA or display port. Plug it back properly on the both sides and turn on monitor first then laptop. Fix 2, you can use display shortcut key. Press Window plus P, select extend or duplicate. After that, you can check if monitors start working. The fix 3, you can detect display manually. Right click on desktop, then click on display settings. After that, scroll down and click on detect, and then you will see if monitor appear. The fix 4, you can change input source on monitor. So press monitor menu button, then go to the input source, and then you can select correct input, the HDMI, VGA or DP. Now we move to our final fix. Update graphics driver. Press Window plus X, then click on device manager and then extend display adapter and right click driver and click on update driver and choose this search automatically. Goodbye.